Hey HubSpotters, it's Davey again with Pearagon, helping you guys solve some of the cool things that HubSpot can do for you. Today, I want to talk specifically about sequences, but we're starting with the first step, which is creating emails associated with sequences. So let's start with that first. Follow our next videos in this playlist to learn more about how to create sequences, how to manage them, and best practices associated with them. So let's get over to creation. We're under sequences, which is under automation. We're going to skip down over here on the left-hand side, and we're going to get into the library, and we're going to go to template. So you're not going to create this under your marketing emails that you create. You want to make sure that you're using templates here. These are specific because they're one-on-one emails that we're using for sequences. As I click into templates, you notice a variety of templates that I have. I'm going to look at just my templates for this. Here are my templates that I've created. So I'm going to create a new template from scratch, or you can use the template library. You can give it a name. I'm going to call this email 1, and then I'm going to give it a subject, which I'm going to call test email for people. And then I'm able to put in anything that I want. So dear so-and-so or whatever. And what's nice about this is that you can personalize it by pulling in their first name. So let's pull in the first name here, dear so-and-so, and it's got it in. I can add other personalization tokens and make this more personalized. And then I can skip down through it. So now I'm going to work on my message, and, I'm going to just put some information in here that's associated with it. And I've got a message by so-and-so. And then more importantly, what's nice about this is your signature is already going to be included. So if you haven't added your signature, add your signature, and then it will automatically be in here. Do not put a signature in here. Otherwise it will double up on your signatures. Happens all the time. I can always tell when people do that because you'll see double signature. You can also personalize with more text. So if you have like boxes of information that you want to put in, and then you can insert things like links or documents, especially a meeting link would be highly appropriate here. Now I'm using just from scratch, but HubSpot has templates for these and you can look for them online as well. You can also choose if this template's going to be used with other people on your team or if it's private just for you. Typically, I like to leave them as private because if you put in information that you like to share, maybe your meeting link or your phone number, it's going to be really hard to share that with the team. They should create their own. And then I would always put it into a folder. So going back, before you actually create the email, you want to create a folder. So I'm going to put it in my post-call follow-up folder, whatever that may be, and I can use that later. And so I'll set up an email 1, I'll give it a name, and then I'll give an email 2 and a name, an email 3 and a name. And I want to create multiple emails. Usually 5 to 7 is a good number. You may even go up to 8 to 10 on it. I can also use AI through the new tool on the beta that HubSpot has. And then there's other ways to be able to edit your text through here. I will save this template. And now I've got an email that I can use for my sequences down the road. Again, you can create folders in here, but I'm already in a folder. So if we go back up, I was in a folder for new emails or next step. And so now I can create a new folder and embed those emails within it. So start with that first before you do sequences.